Volunteer Joy Ochieng. I'll take you through the stages of kale's development. So the first one is seed selection and preparation. So here, when choosing kale seed, you have a variety of options like the Kali, kales, and then you consider the climate and also the disease resistance variety to minimize the potential problems during the growing season. So let me take you through the preparation. So you can even soak the seed for 12 to 24 hours for sowing to give them a head start. So you can simply place the seed in a small bowl of water at a room temperature. So now let's check on the germination of the seed, how they germinate. So here you make a shallow holes of about a quarter or a half inch deep, and you place one or two seeds in each hole, and then you cover the mix. Kale seed germinates best in soil temperatures between 7 to 29 degrees Celsius. You keep the soil moist but not too waterlogged. Seedling stage. Now let's check on their emergence. Kales usually emerge within 1 days after sowing. At the stage, they are very, very delicate. So transplanting, what we have also done is that when the seed have 2 to 4 leaves, they are ready to be transplanted. Harden off the seedlings by gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions for a period of 7 to 1 day. Let's check on the vegetative growth. Now under that we'll check of the root development. So as kales plants establish themselves, the root system grows rapidly. A well-drained soil is essential for root development. The roots are relatively shallow but spread out, making them to allow or to access water, the nutrients, and also other things from wider area. Leaf and the stem growth. It is known for this kale here is known for its growing leaves that it grow faster. So it requires the full sun to partial shade, at least to partial shade its leaves. So 6 hours of suns are required per day for optimal growth. So now let's check on the weed control. This thing here, we also need to keep it from weed. So you keep the area around kale plants for free of weeds it's well known that weeds are always competing with the kales for water, nutrients, and also the sunlight. So you can use mulching. So mulching has been done here. You can see the grass has been placed here so as to suppress the growth of the weeds. Under that, you'll also check on the pollination. So the flowers of the leaves are pollinated by insects such as the bees. So pollination is important. If you want seeds, just only if you want seeds. But if you don't want seeds, you can remove the buds now to maintain the leaves as a source of food if you just want the leaves. So harvesting. When you want to harvest, you can start harvesting kale leaves when they are about 4 to 6 inches long. So these usually occur to 3 to 4 days after transplanting. They are more tender and flavorful at that time, so making them to be flavorful. So when you want to continue harvesting them, so you can just continue removing them. You start by picking the outer one, and then after that, that one will allow the inner leaves to continue growing. So the method of harvesting, we can use a sharp pair of scissors or a pruning shear to cut the leaves on the base of the stem. Thank you.